The Construction and Civil Engineering Senior Staff Association, the National Union of Civil Engineering, Construction, Furniture and Wood Workers have threatened to stop work on major roads in the country due to poor treatment of its members. The union, affiliated with the Trade Union Congress of Nigeria and the Nigerian Labour Congress, represent the senior and junior staff in the construction industry. The group made this known at a news conference in Abuja on the state of the construction industry. The National President of Civil Engineering Senior Staff Association says the construction industry, which is the second largest employer of labor after the government, expressed concerns over large-scale layoff in the industry, a trend he says was creating a crisis in the sector.
There is a total slowdown in the industry due to disagreement between the contractors handling various civil construction projects for the federal government and the Ministry of Works. As a result of unilateral impositions of new standard condition of contract by the minister, contrary to the existing condition as approved by the Bureau of Public Procurement, BPP. This has affected employment in the industry, leading to mass sack of Nigerian workers who are members of our unions. This is in contrast to the Renew Hope agenda of the present regime of President Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Currently, we have lost over 50% of our members as a result of this disagreement. This situation is bound to further increase poverty and insecurity that the country is grappling with. We are using this medium to appeal to the Honorable Minister of Works that what is needed now is a form of bailout to a depressed construction sector rather than any form of conflict. The two unions are also concerned about the effect of a prolonged unresolved conflict on investor confidence in the stabilities of the country's business environment. The federal government should, as a matter of urgency, come up with a clear policies of strict adherence to payment terms. Arising from the foregoing, we call on the federal government to immediately resolve the conflict in the industry by involving all stakeholders in contract awards like Bureau of Public Procurement, BPP, Ministry of Justice, Ministry of Works, Council for Regulation of Engineers in Nigeria, CORE, Federation of Construction Industry Forces, etc. Put an end to the banditry, kidnappings, and killing that have been going on in this country, and ensure that the safety of our members and all Nigerians in any part of the country is safe. With all the ministers of works, the Federation of Construction Industry Forces, and all concerned to amicably resolve the current conflict within 21 days. Otherwise, the two unions will be compelled to declare industrial actions in the construction industry in Nigeria to address this issue to prevent further loss of jobs of our members.
Nigeria is currently grappling with insecurity, and you can imagine when 52,000 workers are laid off, then you expect the insecurity to be worse, and we don't pray for that. Not only that, currently some of our members are dying, most especially the ones that are retired or sacked. And if you look at the way our members are living their lives now, it is not encouraging at all. Currently, we have most of our members sleeping in the offices. They are now becoming destitute in a nation that has government. The effects are enormous. You talk about the purchasing power of the main man and the dependents. You talk about the school, the education of the children. If a worker is sacked, then that automatically means that the school of the children will be terminated. And you know what that means? The younger people that we are expecting to take over from the current people, if they are out of school and they are becoming illiterate.